All right, moving on, the Supreme Court has granted bail protection in the Ranveer Allahbadia controversial case. In fact, the Supreme Court has strongly criticized social media influencer over his obscene remarks on India's Got Latent while hearing his plea to club the FIRs. The bench questioned, quote unquote, if this is not obscenity, then what is? Why should we quash or club FIRs? It asserted that no one has a license to speak against societal norms in the name of free speech, is what the Supreme Court quoted during the hearing. While granting interim relief from the arrest, the court directed Allahbadia to deposit his passport at Thane police station and barred him from leaving India without prior approval. Sambhav, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to talk more about this. Sambhav, this is a relief for Ranveer Allahbadia. You know, he's not going to be going to jail, and that is a respite for him. But the fact of the matter is that trouble for the influencer is far from over.
Well, absolutely. On one hand, the top court made it clear that it is staying the FIRs filed in Guwahati and Maharashtra and also in Rajasthan. But on the other hand, the top court has given a stern message, rather rebuked, grilled YouTuber Ranveer Allahbadia for his derogatory, obscene comments on the show India Got Latent. The top court has made it very clear that he'll have to join the investigations, and that too without his lawyer. And we'll have to go to the police station, which he has been avoiding going to the police station. And the Supreme Court said that the Ranveer Allahbadia will have to go to the Supreme Court as and when, I beg your pardon, go to the police station as and when required, as and when police seeks a probe investigation into the matter. Also, he cannot leave the country, and his passport, he'll have to submit his passport to the authorities. And also, Supreme Court bench led by Justice Surikant said that the kind of remarks comes under the category of obscenity, and such remarks are vulgar and they cannot be accepted. Such remarks, that derogatory language, questioned Ranveer Allahbadia and rather grilled Ranveer Allahbadia over his derogatory language and remarks, and said such remarks are not acceptable. And also, rule of law will take its course, and no one is above the law, and law will take its own course. And just because you are influential and you have money, you cannot directly come to the Supreme Court and ask that, okay, I need a relief, and similar kind of remarks were made by the top court bench led by Justice Surikant while granting a kind of relief to YouTuber Ranveer Allahbadia in India Got Latent controversial remarks matter.
All right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.